You need to stick to your dreams. So that's what we're talking about here. The power of being able to have a dream and you do whatever it takes to never give up on your dreams. What's going on, people? Thank you very much for your support. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos. That's what we're talking about here, right? So a lot of times people have dreams. I think everyone has a dream, right? Some kind of dream. But as life goes on, either you turn left or you turn right, or you just think, well, you know what, things are just hard, right? And things are gonna get hard, and things will get hard, and sometimes you chase your dream and you do everything you believe you can do, and things just don't work out, right? But I'm of the mindset that, you know what, when things are going bad, when you're basically hitting rock bottom, that's when you need to push harder. Right, because it's not easy. That's what they call dreams. Like a lot of things, like some people wake up and have dreams and things just happen. Some people don't even know their dreams and things just happen. Yes, but for the most part, a dream is far-fetched. Right, it's far-fetched. You basically need to. It's something you want and it's something you believe in and it's something you know that, you know what, if I can attain this thing, or I can attain this dream, I can change my life, my family's life, like people around you, can literally touch people's lives, right? And that's what it is, right? So it's not something that's going to be easy. You need to be able to put the work in and you need to be able to do whatever it takes. But most importantly, no matter what happens, you can't give up. Because when you give up, to me, it's basically like giving up on your own life. Because if that's your dream and that's the one thing you've really wanted and that's the one thing you know will set you apart or will solve all your problems and change you and your family's life and everyone's life, if that's that one thing, you giving up on it means you're basically giving up on everything else, right? And to me, that just doesn't work. You can't give up. You gotta keep going. Things will get hard, and they are going to get hard, but you gotta keep going. You know, you gotta put one foot forward and you keep going and you keep going and you keep going. Like, it literally only stops when you win. Only and only when you achieve your dream can you sit back and say, okay, now I can stop chasing the dream, right? Then it becomes, I need to make sure everything I've worked hard for makes sense, changes the world, changes people's way of living. Like, do you know what I mean? That's what it becomes. But up until that point, you can't stop, because you're basically giving up on you, you're giving up on yourself, you're giving up on your family. So that's it. It's always understanding and remembering that, you know what, you have it in you and you have the strength to keep going. You need to believe it and you need to know it and you need to understand that, you know what, yes, things are hard, yes, things don't always go the way you want them to go, but if you keep moving and you never give up, eventually everything will work out.